Here in this question, molecular formula of the compound is given C6H13Br, and you have to draw the structure that is according to the instruction. So in the A, it should be first, that means primary alkyl halide, and with one stereogenic center, that means asymmetric center, where the carbon is further attached to 4 different groups. So you are starting with the A. First you are drawing all the carbon 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms in one line. After that you have to put primary bromide, that means bromine should be attached to here. And then it should have one stereogenic center, that means this carbon cannot be, but here you can make a asymmetric center by putting one methyl group. So if one carbon is attached here, this carbon should not be here. And the remaining carbon valencies should be satisfied by hydrogen. So CH3, CH2, CH2, one hydrogen only, and here it should be CH2. So this carbon is further attached to 4 different groups. That is why this should be asymmetric carbon. And you have to remove. So this is your asymmetric center, and this is primary alkyl halide, and this should be removed. So for this structure, A structure, total number of carbon atoms 6. It should be primary alkyl halide with one stereogenic center, and this should be the structure. Now come to B structure. For the B structure, you are selecting the pen, and for this also 2 secondary alkyl halide with 2 stereogenic centers. So for this B structure, again you are drawing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And after that, it should be secondary, that means you are putting Br here at the secondary carbon. And then it should have stereogenic center, 2 stereogenic center. So one hydrogen is already here, so this should be stereogenic, and second stereogenic center you can make here. So we are putting methyl group here. With this, one hydrogen is already here, so these 2 will be asymmetric center. One methyl group is when kept here, then you have to remove this carbon from the longest chain, and then only total number of carbon will be 6 here. So remaining hydrogen. So this should be CH3, CH2, then CH. This should be again CH, and this should be CH3. So here also, this is your secondary alkyl halide, and with one stereogenic center here and one stereogenic center here. So this is the B structure. Now come to C structure. An achiral tertiary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl bromide. So for this C structure, you are again putting all carbon atom in one line first, 4. That is how you are actually making carbon skeleton first. 3, 4, and this should be the last. 3 and 3, 6 carbon atoms. Tertiary alkyl halide. That means you have to make tertiary carbon first. So you are making tertiary carbon here by putting this methyl group. So this is your tertiary carbon and bromine should be attached to here. So you are putting Br here. And remaining this carbon should be removed and hydrogen can be kept. CH3, CH2, CH2 and no hydrogen here and one CH3. Now this is your tertiary alkyl halide and it is symmetric because this carbon is further attached to same alkyl group. So this is your C structure which is achiral and tertiary. So this is tertiary alkyl halide. And remove this C. So that is how you are drawing all the structures according to the instruction. At the same time, molecular formula is C6H13Br.